Alright, so I thought I would do a quick update on the cozy space. Um, so just finished building in the new Lian PCO 11 Dynamic XL, and I love it. I love it a lot. Fortunately, I couldn't get a third fan on the bottom because of the rad. The nub on the end of the rad kind of goes over the holes, so I did not have the space to put the fan there, which kind of sucks. But overall it's pretty good. I'm really happy. Um, and then we have the console space, and then my little fan in the back there. So yeah, we got the PS4 Pro, we got the Xbox One X, and then we got my Switch on the bottom there, and my AVR, which runs all of these speakers. There and there, and then it also runs these speakers. So they're actually run as two separate rooms. So we have room A and room B. So that's pretty awesome because I can play audio on whichever ones. And it's a full 4K Chromecast AVR, which is like amazing. And then if I'm watching movies late at night, I use this. It's like a 10-foot auxiliary cord. So I can still, listen to whatever I'm watching without bothering everybody else in the house. Then we got my headphones there. These are the Philips Fidelio headphones. They are absolutely amazing, and I love them quite a bit. And then we have my server that I use as a Plex server, backup, and my streaming PC. So that's pretty cool. Basically, the guts of that system are what my computer was before I upgraded to the AMD 3900X. So that's nice. And then we have the custom desk that I've made. So we spent like 3 weeks staining this thing. It's 6 feet by 30 inches, so it's pretty huge. If you noticed, like where I hang my headphones is just like a little hook that I covered in shrink wrap. I have my keyboard and mouse right there for the server. I can move them away. They're pretty easy to hide, and that's a wireless mouse, so pretty easy to get rid of. I got my Logitech G403, my Ducky Shine 3, all my little things. I got my Raspberry Pi there. I got my charging stand, my Darth Vader Buddha, the controller I use for my PC, a little X-Wing when I went to Fan Expo, a little Lego X-Wing, huge D20, and then Bowser. And we got the triple monitor set up. So the two monitors on the ends are ViewSonic 1440p 60 hertz monitors. Originally, I had two Dell 1080p 144 hertz monitors, but I don't really use those for PC gaming. I use them more for like multitasking and stuff. And a lot of, like right now, they're both running the server. So I felt like the 1440p was way more worth it to me than the 60 hertz. And then in the center, I have my Dell 1440p 144 hertz or 155 hertz if you overclock it monitor. So that's pretty dope. And then we got the TV. So 50-inch 4K, Vizio. I love it. It was a great purchase for me. And then, yeah, we got my coffee table. We got my shitty futon that's there. We got one of my chairs from work. And that's it, really. I got my flags and stuff that I hung up during the playoffs because I finally, cleaned up everything and had space. And I got all my games and stuff over here. And, the rest of the basement's pretty messy, but I'm happy. So thanks for checking it out, guys.